Located in Berlin, the Reichstag is the seat of the German legislature. Originally completed in 1894, the building was damaged before and during World War II. Following the unification of Germany, after the fall of the Berlin Wall, Foster and Partners renovated the building, adding a glass dome that serves as a visitor center and a skylight for the debating chamber below. Inside the dome, a curved ramp has exhibits, and a motorized sunshade blocks direct sun to the space below. Try the Terrace restaurant or the Berlin Pavilion in the Tiergarten and see this building when you visit Berlin.